Hi there. We spoke about the hype cycle and the maturity levels. There are 5 different maturity levels, ranging from ad hoc to standardized to optimized. Initially, you do not really know what the client need is, what the customer experience will look like. So initially, you do a lot of experiments, a lot of one-off campaigns or projects, and you see a lot of little dots there. That's the moment where you're trying to figure it out. What are we talking about? What is a lead? What is a client? What is a campaign? How long should it take? What is the KPI really demonstrating improvements? And once you have all those dots in place, you start to see those are actually different experiments. And you will see common denominators. There's some common ground and you see some repetitiveness. And that is exactly where we go to level 3. We can start to put some standards in place, processes, and figure out how we can maybe support that with technology. And now we're halfway. Now we're in a much better shape. It will save you a lot of effort and a lot of resources. And this is how you flatten the hype cycle and steepen the learning curve. Now what we ideally want to do is to put those processes on autopilot and make sure that those standardized processes are supported largely by software. And that's what you see in the 3rd level. This is where we go to optimized and automated. Because bear in mind, you can't automate what you haven't standardized. And you cannot standardize what you haven't defined. And that explains how you can flatten the hype cycle and steepen your learning curve by using the hype cycle and the 5 maturity levels. Thank you so much. See you in the next Martech Memo.